Hey, what's up, guys? Several feet of lake effect snow paralyzed the Buffalo area on Tuesday, forcing state troopers to deliver blankets and other supplies to motorists stranded on the New York State Thruway and adding an ominous note to a wintry season that's already snarling travel and numbing fingers from the Midwest to the Carolinas. In a region accustomed to regular highway chalking, school closing, snowstorms, this one is being called one of the worst in recent memory. The snow, blown by strong winds, forced to closure of a 132-mile stretch of the Thruway, the main highway across New York, where state police said dozens of motorists were stranded. Wow, this is a crazy situation on Buffalo, New York right now. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to keep you posted. Feel free to leave your comments down below. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on Time the Show. Visit our website on timetheshow.com. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. This is On Time. If you enjoyed this video, click here to subscribe. I'll be here. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on Time the Show. Make sure you click on each link. Also visit our website on timetheshow.com. It's right over here. If you want to watch the latest videos, click right here. And if you're watching from a mobile device, all the links are going to be on the description. See you guys in the next video. This is On Time.